Happy New Year, yeah, my friend. One more year upon them. Yo. Wagwan, my viewers and subscribers. You don't know this is Rodney's Kitchen and Lifestyle. What me I say? Happy New Year. Big up on yourself. Enough respect. Enough manners. My viewers and subscribers, yo, Wagwan. We never reached the 5,000, but we reached close. Very, very close. 4,960 something people. But, now that's no face. We try, we best. But you don't know how it go. We have whole heap more things to do throughout this year. When we want to say to the item, enough respect, enough thanks, manners can't too much for each and every one. If every supporter, every subscriber, every person who watch my video, who comment, who like, who share my video them for 2024, thank you very much. Enough respect. Yes, my viewers and subscribers. Now, my viewers and subscribers, I want to talk to you about something. And what I want to talk about is me I go right in it and me I go hard. Yeah man, me I go hard. You see how? Hold on a little bit. You see, and you hear all of the Color Smith fans, them on there, watch him video, when him touch the snow and feel how cold inside cold. You see when he open him mouth and talk, and you see all them frost that come out of his mouth. Cold. Yeah man, cool. I mean, I tell you the truth. When a foreign hot, he hot. When Canada, England, any which part in the world, when he hot. When he cold, he cold. Now, to each and every one out there, what me I say, wanna see the thumbnail? What me I try to say to you right now, me go show you a few clips and start about this situation where me see a go on. My viewers and my subscribers, love you. Listen me good now. You see, anyone of you, whether in a foreign country, whether if you're in America, US, England, once you left Jamaica, any which part you go, a foreigner there, and you have decided to send money, go to Jamaica, make sure, say, the person who you are sending money go give it to. You can trust that person. Also, make sure say you are visit Jamaica every 3 or 6 months, or you are go to Jamaica every year. Here the reason make me say that. You have to make sure you are go to Jamaica and know say your money when you are send go to Jamaica, go give people, I put them in a good place. My viewers and subscribers, I wonder if you are here with me. I say, you have to go down to Jamaica and I make sure you know say your money I put in a bank, your money I spend, your money I do it. Worse if you are build a house. Yeah man, if you are build a house, you have to go visit which part of the house there. See which part of the house I make. See who meet and greet and talk to who I build the house. Not only stay foreign, send money go to Jamaica. Not only send money go to Jamaica and say, yeah, me have big house I make at Jamaica, me have much money at Jamaica. No man, no do that. Stop do that man. Stop do that man. A full time now, listen me now. I mean I come aggressive at no one, you know. But what me I say is a full time now, me I put myself in it, we as grown people understand. Say it's not everybody name. Family is family. Hold on. Family! I mean say family. You hear that song? You know that song there? In love him brother and in sister them to him heart, but he not trust them. So me not see why you know continuously I trust them. Watch this video. Me I ask you to watch this video. Then when you watch the video, then we will come back and we talk, we have a conversation, and remember, me go deep in a this, in a this. Me go deep and me go hard. So remember, get ready, cause me nah hold back nothing.
People wicked. And sometimes you might think, say, a strange. First, I don't even know where to begin. When I tell you, people wicked. People wicked. And sometimes you might think, say, a stranger wicked. But sometimes my own family. Ain't no my own fault in a life. I live for family too much. I love family too much. I left and go to America for 6.5 years. When I left, I never planned. I left, I never leave with the intention not to come back. I come back. I went to, for 2 weeks for go back for go look my daughter visa, because guess what? I messed up my visa. I never want to revoke it. However, I stay. I stay in America. I have all of my ups and downs. I start from the floor. And I work my way up. I show a partner up here. I save. I had to save the money in my sister's account because she had to take care of my daughter. I pay rent for over the 6 years. I buy food. I ensure them have clothes. When a birthday, I send the biggest clothes plus money. I do everything. Fast forward to that, last year was one of my roughest years, because guess what? My patient was put into nursing home and I lost my job, and I did hard to get a job. I just one day, there's someone 2 days. However, I get a job in October. I work 7 12-hour shift, 7 days a week just to see if I could make the trip for come see my daughter. Because my daughter said, Mommy, the greatest wish I would have to see you for Christmas. And I want that for happen. I'm going to work 12-hour shifts 7 days a week to come to Jamaica. Come here, say, me buy up things in my family, them everybody two suit with this, that time. I spend up my money, do everything for come for them. Come here, say, even if me now have no money to come to Jamaica, I have $1 million odd plus US in my account at Jamaica. I asked my sister in April to send me a bank statement, and she said it takes so long. And I said, no, I don't think my sister would have spent half my money. I don't think so. She give me the bank statement with $1 million hard plus US in her account. So I say, yes, but I have the money for come down. And would you believe me, so my sister make me come to Jamaica? And when I asked her to draw 100,000, give me, she could have found a 95, and out of the US account, she change it out and give me. Me come to Jamaica, no money, me $1 million add me US, then clean sweep out of my account. My sister takes me a long text for years. I go Jamaica, oh, she's sorry, she this and that and that. And the taboo says she knows she me will take care of her daughter. And I act like say she want to kill herself, and I play a mind game for me. And I pay a mind game for me, and I got make me know so from 2021 she leave out from my account. And bear in mind, me pay rent, me buy food, me do everything, me not send nothing come to Jamaica, or me not send nothing for me daughter, or me not send for my sister. And me come and my sister spend off all of my money. And me tell her, man, me never know some people could have wicked, so me tell her, I better she did pay a man for kill me, cause me love my sister to my heart, and me take my sister up my back. Or me tell her, say that people 100,000 me could get out of the $1 million. Out of the account of the US account she turned to, where I probably have about $1,500 US dollar, change it out and give me, because I always say, me I go send more US, but it's like God send me enough to send it, because if me did send it, my sister would have spent off everything. My sister bring me down to the ground. My sister, me not know. Me never know some people could have wicked to me so. Me never expect this from her. Me know say I'm more than $1 million for my account, but you may trust her. And me I say, even if she touch 1 and 2 money, you know, and nothing, me know Jamaica rough. My sister spend off every dollar. And I look at me and say, she go find a way to pay me back. Where I go find a way to pay me back in Jamaica? We're so rough. Me there, me have to go try to go back home, because I have no money to spend. I'm going to tell you, family always going to be my downfall. This is my second time family make me lose much money in life. I'm going to tell you, me done. Different from my mother, me done. Me done with family. Family wicked, who know me say, me take care of my sister. And my sister spend off all of my money. And me come here to no money to spend. But it's all good. God not sleep. He might make me rise again. And I shall not suffer. And I shall not go back to America and be homeless. Because it's the God that me serve. Nothing I go and punish. First, I don't even know where to begin. When I tell you, people wicked. And sometimes you might think, say, a stranger wicked, but sometimes my own family. Ain't no my own fault in a life. I live with family too much. I love family too much. I left and go to America for 6.5 years. When I left, I never planned. I never leave with the intention not to come back. I come back. I went to, for 2 weeks for go back for go look my daughter visa, because guess what? I mess up my visa. I never want to revoke it. However, I stay America. I have all of my ups and downs. I start from the floor. And I work my way up. I show a partner up here. I save. I had to save the money in my sister's account, because she had to take care of my daughter. I pay rent for over the 6 years. I buy food. I ensure them have clothes. When I birthday, me I send the biggest clothes plus money, me do everything. Fast forward for that, last year was one of my roughest years because guess what? My patient was put into nursing home and I lost my job and it did hard to get a job. I just one day, there's someone 2 days. However, I get that job boy in October. I work 7 12-hour shift, 7 days a week, just to see if I could make the trip for come see my daughter. Because my daughter said, "Mommy, the greatest wish I would have to see you for Christmas." And I want that for happen. I'm going to work 12-hour shifts, 7 days a week to come to Jamaica. Come here, say, I buy up things to my family, them everybody two suit with this, that, I spend up my money, do everything for come for them. Come here, say, even if I don't have no money to come to Jamaica, I have $1 million odd plus US in my account at Jamaica. I asked my sister in April to send me a bank statement and she said it takes so long. And I said, no, I don't think my sister would have spent half my money. I don't think so. She give me the bank statement with $1 million plus US in a account. So I say, yes, but I have money for come down. And would you believe me, so my sister make me come to Jamaica? And when I asked her to draw 100,000, give me how she could have find a 95 and out of the US account, she change it out and give me. I come to Jamaica, no money, me $1 million and me US then clean sweep out of my account. My sister texts me a long text for years. I go to Jamaica, oh, she's sorry, and she this and that and that. And the taboo says she knows she me will take care of her daughter. And I act like say she want to kill herself and I play a mind game for me. And I pay a mind game for me, and I got to make me know so from 2021 she live out from my account. And bear in mind, me pay rent, me buy food, me do everything, me not send nothing to come to Jamaica, or me not send nothing for me that, or me not send for my sister. And me come and my sister spend off all of my money. And me tell her, man, me never know some people could have wicked, so me tell her, I said, better she did pay one man for kill me, because me love my sister to my heart, and me take my sister out my back. Or me tell her, say, that people 100,000 me could get out of the $1 million. Out of the account, of the US account she turned to, where I probably have about $1,500 US dollar change it out and give me, because I always say, me I go send more US, but it's like God send me enough to send it, because if me did send it, my sister would have spent off everything. My sister bring me down to the ground. My sister, me not know. Me never know some people could have wicked to me so. Me never expect this from her. Me know say I'm more than $1 million for my account, but you may trust her. And me I say, even if she touch 1 and 2 money, you know, I know nothing, me know Jamaica rough. My sister spend off every dollar. And I look at me and say, she go find a way to pay me back. Where I go find a way to pay me back in Jamaica? We're so rough. Me there, me have to go try to go back home because I have no money to spend. I'm going to tell you, family always go make me downfall. This is my second time family make me lose much money in life. I'm going to tell you, me done. Different from my mother, me done. Me done with family. Family wicked, who know me say, me take care of my sister. And my sister spend off all of my money. And me come here to no money to spend. But it's all good. God not sleep. He might make me rise again. And me shall not suffer. And me shall not go back to America and be homeless. Because it's the God who me serve. Nothing that go and punish. First, I don't even know where to begin. When I tell you, people wicked. And
my viewers and subscribers, uno just hear that. Uno hear where the woman, hold on. Uno hear what the lady just say. She can't control herself. She don't know what to do. She lost 6 years. My viewers and subscribers, hold on a little bit. You hear the part where she say, when she send fear money, if you go into the bank, she send fear sister money. My viewers and subscribers, hey. Listen what me I say, brother. Listen what me I say. The lady says she send for her money if you go in at the bank. She send for her sister money. Separate. She send for her money for her kid money separate. Her sister money separate. And for her money separate. A 6 year the woman in America work. 6 long years the woman in America work. And the woman send all her money go give her sister. For help her self when she go back to Jamaica. And you tell me, say, you sit down and so your sister has send the money come. I saw you use the money. Knowing say sister I go come at Jamaica for her money because she tell you say put the money in the bank account because so my viewers and subscribers, hear what me want you take out of that. So she not have a bank account at Jamaica. See? Her sister have the account. So she send the money go give the sister to put in a fear, the sister account. For when she come to Jamaica. And the sister take away every cent. Stop sending them money, man. Not send them no money, man. Stop sending your money go to Jamaica, go save with family. Yeah, man, stop sending money go to Jamaica, go boy, you make family save it for you. Take up yourself. Put your money, keep your money. Go down to Jamaica. Put on a bank account down at Jamaica. And I mean I get paid for this. But Jamaica National. What my Jamaica National bank account? Which part you live? As a matter of fact, before me even go on that and say that. Find out if any farmer bank with the Jamaica they in the state or the country where you live in. Yeah, man. And that you have to do. Because remember me tell you this. Remember me tell you this. There's family members out there where we keep the money. Take care of the money. Save the money. And use the money to do good things. Where you tell them to do it. But there is family member like that sister. We not do that. Because just think about this. The sister could have saved fair money. Use the money when the sister send come give you. And if she run short, she call her sister and say, sis, me I go borrow 100,000 out of the money where me know say the sister go say, go on, man. Comment down below if you think the sister would have that hard to say, you can't trouble me money because me send money come give you already. Comment down below if you think the sister would be that wicked. If you say, no, you can't get me money because me already send money come give you. No, man, the sister not that wicked. Because the sister close her eye and send millions. Go to Jamaica. And the thing is, what she do with that millions? Live big. Spend it off on all kind of man and all kind of thing. Now, people. Listen to what me I say. Stop sending your money go to Jamaica, go give people to put down for you when you now go to Jamaica for 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 years. If you now go to Jamaica for so long, no send no money good on go give nobody for keep. Hold on. Let me say this to you. What if something should go wrong with that individual? And you don't know which part down there that individual have the money. Anybody can take the money and go on with the money. No, you see what I say? So we are take the sister business out of it, the family business out of it. That somebody can analyze, that somebody can lose them 3 points. Oh, you go know which part your money there. I want to know, man. Listen to what I say, man. If you are going to put money at Jamaica, make sure you go down there. You open my bank account. You put, if you are going to put somebody's name in it, you put your name as the first name, put the other person's name as the second name, and inform the bank that without your signature or your authorization, that person cannot take out no money out of the bank. You never know say them something that can be done. When you go to the bank, you tell the bank, say, this is my account, but in case of emergency, you will put in this person's name in the account. As a matter of fact, you can't even put in the account, and that person not even know say them name in the account. There's a lot of ways around it. But if you stop sending the money go to Jamaica, go give people to put them in a bank account, and you not go to Jamaica in 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 years. I mean, I blame her, no. Me not blame her, no get me wrong. Me not blame her. But what me I say is, if you are go to Jamaica for so long, keep your money tie up, put it under your bed, like we grandmother and we grandfather them used to do. Stop sending your money go to Jamaica, go give relative to do things. You know hear what me I say? I wonder if you know hear what me I say. My viewers and subscriber, after this video, me have